Yeah, man, $1100.
You see me?
Exactly, Sumo. Them not professional, cause them not even have handcuff. Them not even have handcuff to do them work.
But she not properly attired either if you come on duty. That's the point, you know. But we Jamaican people, the citizens don't know them lot, don't know the rights.
Exactly. If you don't know your rights, you lose your rights, brother.
Wait there. Let me ask Tank something. You say even if the police did wrong, the woman could have proved it in a court. If you, I don't know if you're a man or you're a woman, but if you're a woman and a police box you, what would be your reaction? And if this is your mother or your sister, would you talk the same way?
A little turn in next street then since it's him about them.
If I mean, me I grab and back in the policeman ear.
We can't tell her this.
And you should never box the girl would stand up to her.
But she out there, but you can't box a person for point.
Oi!
You can't point anywhere. A point for anybody.
You say if I
The
did
girl
me,
point, the
brother,
girl say juko tie.
right now, if I did me brother in yard, then 2 yard them come out and head, I mean, I kill him with liquor and me don't juke him in a yard.
Actually, girl, take it easy, because if I mean, my papa having gone off inside and shot him. And shot the next police.
Then that me say if the girl, me say if I'm a man, me not kill none of them, you know. But me know me I go get charged somewhere or the other, so me bend my mind to my condition. Me a pop you off and me a wet him 29 foot with it.
What do you mean?
Me say me a jukey policeman and 2 yard them brother. When me don't juke him in a yard and can't see me, me a murder him with lick.
But she got job for the gun that time and say, make sure you hold on upon that.
Him a go see me if he shoot me. He can't go shoot me, I go shoot people around me.
But my dad, me not lie. The police are going from bad to worse.
The video they all over TikTok, Pinky Boo.
You see the force right now?
Telegram, if you have Telegram, you can see video in a Telegram, a full video.
You see the thing where the police force are going right now, my dad? The police force, everybody in the force a bad man and bad woman.
Somebody need to discipline them.
Them not getting discipline.
Somebody need to discipline them. Them have this little dirty attitude come talk about assault. Them know what is assault. Them don't even know the meaning of assault is enough for them to talk about assault. Them stop me already for drive my vehicle and them charge me for going over 77, over the speed limit. Mr. Officer, no problem. Show me a machine and show me everything about my vehicle. No supposed to say my license plate number, everything. All me see 77. I say, oh, you know, sir, I go 77. Another person behind me in front of me, I go 77. Miss, you're assaulting the police. Assault by asking a question. Somebody
come like you don't have the right to talk nowadays, you know?
No, you don't have no right. You don't have no right anymore.
You can't talk out of your mouth.
No, you can't talk to them no more. I'm going to write the ticket, write it. And them stop a tundra behind me. And the tundra go 77. So I say, everybody go 77 now. Right out a big tree, right a cigar there so. So everybody go 77 now. Them need to discipline them. Trust me, them need to discipline them. They know for
Pinky, they all over upon TikTok, man. You know, stroll through TikTok, if you stroll through TikTok, you see video.
Remember
Pinky,
one night, you know?
Alright, go on Google and type in carryblue.com.
The picture we might have actually the video, you know, but me just screenshot it to get the picture.
Go on carryblue.com. Go on
the
Google.
outside, she go like a picnic. Charlie, the big woman for. To them a police, them
but
like
not even lick your box the woman in her face.
She out of
Just
order.
blind by you.
Out of order. She out of order. Can't be man that none of them a take up the whole police.
Hey, you see the next policeman who did
And
it?
they can't be
The next policeman when I do nothing, I push the
Him
woman
forget
and
a charge,
him to get charged, you know.
Of
Because
course
Him get charged, man.
the woman can say him a sexual harassment no, because you push a woman from him body.
Yeah.
Him to get charged too.
deal with people better.
Come on, yo, brother, let me tell you this. Jamaican law needs to change overall. And the
I not say no police car and put me saying no, but if I'm me, the outcome now gonna be nice.
change.
That me know too.
Because that has the whole system overall.
Yeah. That me know too.
Police,
I saw
a police was trained to de-escalate things, brother, not to escalate it and bring it to a point where weapon of a and this and that. You see me?
But she reached to her gun one time, you know.
Yeah. When she push the woman in the vehicle and bite the woman.
I told them here, the policeman I say, where you bite her for? Where you bite her for? Where you need to bite the woman?
Bite her the woman, what she bite the woman?
That's
what them
Bite her from longer time, you know.
Me a tear off her uniform off her.
She not tear it good.
Fabulous, come guys.
Can't deal with her man, so.
Are you not saying if a person hold by your ear,
That are your strength, your ear are your strength.
Oh, man.
what you expect them to do? She have to hold on past something to balance herself, you know.
Matter your strength, you know, but guess what?
Guys, stop up alive, guys. Stop up alive.
When you look on the front, look how a girl here tight. You can't see on the front of a girl here
What do you
tight.
mean?
Brother, are you hear scale that she a giant, brother?
You know what need to go on in the country, madam? You want it to go on in Jamaica. Every community, every parish need to come out and block the road them and promise about all of this little police and along with brother.
Vitamins, man.
You see me? I know that them politicians will come on the place and come begging to vote for them.
All dirty
But
police.
at them set it, you know. Make it go on,
I'm not over 30 years now, I'm not voting none of them, brother. Because guess what? I don't believe in none of them.
The two of them are the same thing, brother.
Must shame.
I believe in none of them, brother. So that's why I'm not vote for none of them, then. None of them believe.
Yeah, because let me tell you this, man. You see, for the police, them just get a little badge. They get a little, they get one little gun on them side. Them
When tax come out of their money, they don't get nothing left. That's why they have to depend with every minute.
But if Jamaican people don't pay taxes, you know, them not get paid, you know.
They don't get paid. That's the point.
If we don't pay tax, they don't get paid. I don't know, we them figure harass, you know. Are the politicians them and the prime
You
minister.
see the whole ratio. So you see people who have position, them feel like they must deal with people a certain kind of way. I regularly go in a bank and me have to cuss them in a bank too. Me say when I give people attitude and if people not do business, or don't have job, or if you deal with people better, man.
I saw one thing happened to me the other day, you know.
They reach to a point where you see, because banks go send out money. And they don't know who the person, they go ask me who me I send money to. But the person who ask me that for.
They can't let us answer that.
Who me I send money go give. That's not your concern. The fact that the matter is me I pay you for your service, you send the money for me. You can't ask me who me I send money to or who the person is to me.
But you don't need to pay no bank teller to send money again. You just go in at the ATM and you do it. You just turn it around the other way. Just as when you take out money out of the bank.
No man, that's
Julie, corporate for what? You know a company come talk about corporate. Corporate for what? To get box in our face? That should be corporate for?
I did
You
not
know watch the whole video?
I did not say that to say woman should have deal with her
No, not you, me at all. Somebody in the comment section, me at all, Julie.
oh
Not you, somebody else in the comment section name.
too bright and feisty. Why she deal with the woman so not draw the woman here? She all weak, come like she never land yam.
Then that me say, no, the two of them can't manage the woman. So if the woman did, they must say corporate. If the woman did real, if you put up fight, she floor the two of them.
Of course.
And none of them can manage her.
Woman no want fight her. Woman no want fight the police. They are smuggling like.
I can't tell them when they be around, they're gonna approach me properly, brother. They're going to have a problem with me.
Me say if I
They're
did
going to
me,
approach me properly.
If
I did me.
family.
if I did me brother, me a juki policeman and 2 years them and when me done juki me 9 years, while kill him with this gun.
No, when you push in the woman in her and go for a woman, the woman she just use her 2 fingers and pluck out her eye them.
Me say me da kill him with some lick man. Well lick give me sick man. If hey, me don't know if you never watch video how Trinidad and lick people man. So they give them in a man. Give me.
Yeah, man.
You never see 2 Trinidad and a fight them, so they give them some hard box.
They turn up and talk about say this a woman that don't know her rights. Know your rights, so this dirty police policeman I deal with the woman son a draw ear.
You see the woman that
Good
the grey when
evening.
see
May
the
I
girl
beg on
that the
attack?
van.
Yes, she have a right to know. Yes, she have a right to
Hold
know
on there, hold
to
on there.
lick back.
Kevin
Yes,
wants
she
to say
have a
something.
right
Kevin say
there.
something.
The woman in the grey when
not
see the woman
giving
going at the
them
van.
the
And
Good
she
evening.
look like a the principal. And she forget one lawsuit and then nastiness too.
Let
No,
Kevin say something. Kevin wants to say something.
now listen on the guys from evening and we not talk with too much ignorance. Yeah? The police lady, she wrong totally. She abused her power. Yeah? But the lady herself, she give her rights to. Because right now she should have lawyer supposed to run her down right now to represent her. You
But
understand?
we don't know if she get
Why you
bail,
say she
Kevin.
give away her rights?
Yeah, because you have a thing named destruction of government property. She drape up the police woman and she bust off her button and them stuff there. A government
Yo,
property
shut
that.
your ass clat, man. How you talk say? Brother, you
Look here,
talk
let me
fuck
say
you know.
something there. Let me say
What you
something.
mean not talk?
No. Where
Tell
Kevin
me
say a
how.
true, you know. Where Kevin say
Yeah,
a
but
Let
true.
me
listen,
say
man.
something.
Listen.
Wait,
Talk
wait,
about
one at a
disruptive.
time. One at a time.
Where Kevin say is facts. A government
But
property,
the
yes.
clothes, brother, the clothes, and now man
Yeah.
something, brother.
A government
Yeah,
property,
talk
No,
about that.
property same
no,
way, my boss. A government
no.
property same
A
way.
government property that.
Yeah, man.
All
A true
right,
thing
Mr.
Kevin
Kevin,
attack, man.
Mr.
True thing him
Mitchell.
attack.
Let me
Yes,
ask you
sir.
one. Let me ask you one something.
See your name, please.
If
Gala.
Yes,
if
sir.
you if you buck up with me as a policeman in a traffic stop,
Not
Yeah,
even.
and me JP and box you because you
yeah.
point for me,
Look,
what you da
see your
do?
face right there.
I'm gonna take it.
You not take that man.
Listen
No
to
man,
me.
not take that brother.
That
That
is
is a
that
liar.
is what the police them
Liar.
want. That
No
is
man,
what
Can
the
I
not take no
say
police
box and no
something?
boy.
want.
Yeah, here.
Yeah,
Put
Listen
man.
up
me.
a
So,
million
let
gun
me
for
tell
you.
you. Let me tell you. Well, I
That is what the police them want.
Well, I know. You
Right.
see, if people that they have video it for sure say, yeah, and the police do the wrong,
No,
some people will
no,
take the
no.
box and fight it. But some
Brother,
people, they
brother,
ignorant and
listen me no
dark, they
man.
not take it.
If a police drape you and you retaliate, them are charge you for all kind of things.
Yeah, they
I hear
forgot
me I
charge
say
you
to
for
you.
resisting.
So what
Yeah?
Resisting,
you
them I
say?
go
You
say.
must go take the police jail then. You feel go
Listen
take
me
the
no man.
police
Can I
jail.
say
No, not
something?
saying that, you know,
If
not
the
saying that.
police,
Not saying that.
You know see
Not
that?
saying that. But
listen,
Can I say
them are try
This
this
use
is
something?
is
how
people
you
for
conduct
favor this.
yourself in
So
a
let me
police
ask
deal
a
with it a
question now.
particular
Me a
way.
beg you to give me a little talk. Just give me a little talk. So what I say, if girl if you take a jail from the police, the police supposed to have respect for the girl, just like how the girl have respect for the police. It
The
go both
police
ways.
already assault the young lady from she box her before she
Exactly.
even drape her.
Exactly. Because she a
Take
use
the
her
box and
power.
to her. Take the
Exactly,
box
because
and
she
to
use
her.
her power. She use her power and behave like,
Exactly.
oh, because she a police, the woman must obey underneath it. Nothing no go so.
No,
Nothing no go
but
so.
if she is lady
Can I
was
say
coming
something?
out for the compound and she said something to the lady and point and said back something to her. That they give her the right for go box the woman.
Me a box
Take
her
the
back.
box and fuck her
You
up in a
know what
court.
happened with
Me a box
Jamaican
her back, brother.
police?
Me box her, make
Jamaican
sure it's a couple
police
of teeth
behave
them
like
come out.
say. You know what happened with Jamaican police? Jamaican police behave like say, oh yes, them have power and no disrespect to no.
Them have rights, but you know have none.
Them a
Yes,
God, brother.
no
Tell
Let me
them them
Exactly.
a
tell her.
God.
Everybody have right.
There is no justice to civilian when it comes to police.
You not tell them
So
Everybody
them.
have
No
right.
true.
You
disrespect to
know say you
no.
can lock up
But
a police.
no disrespect to no. This is not a political platform. But Andrew Onis don't give civilian no rights when it come on to when it come on to civilian.
I not just
Me
And
no
Andrew,
know
the
how
police.
no
whole
the
government
Jamaica.
system. I not
And
just
Me no know
Andrew
Andrew.
how no
Any
police.
the
government
Jamaica
in
on
there is
both
the same
civilian right.
protocol. Any
Yes, me no
government
know
in there the
something.
same protocol.
Me can say something more. Hello?
Me don't know how no the
Yeah,
Jamaican
man,
both
go
feel
ahead, go
labor
ahead. Say what
right.
you have to say, my friend.
Andrew Onis hunger break down the
Hey,
country.
hey,
He to
hey,
give the
hey,
police them.
hey, 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 hey. This not have nothing to do with political. With when
Andrew come in a power base
That is what I'm saying.
any
Not
government,
Andrew
any
come in a
government
base
in a
flatness
power
a go
is
on.
the same protocol. So this not have nothing to do with Andrew,
Can I go on an
nah,
example?
Mark Golden.
Let me go on an example of
No,
police.
I never set a rule there.
They
Police
never
them
set that
over.
rule.
You know where the police
I
take
police
over?
them abuse them powers.
Exactly, and them a go overboard them power.
Yeah, what the minister?
You know enough time when police do things. If the
I
lady
better
get
say
a
you
good
say the
lawyer,
policewoman
this
dead.
police
I
can
better
get in
say
a
you say
trouble.
she getting a problem.
Of course. So this not have nothing to do with
Them a charge the
Andrew
woman, you know.
Golden.
Them a charge the woman, you know, but the woman have all right for charge her too, you know.
Them charge her already, brother. Them charge her already.
Exactly.
Woman have all right for charge her too.
Because the
Them
police
charge her
buy
To bite the woman
her
for the finger and charge the woman blood, you know.
disorderly conduct and then charge her
All
for
right. If you listen to the
disruption
video,
of government
if you
property.
listen to the video good, you know say in the video the policeman asked the woman why she bite the woman.
You know, so the policeman or squad in that even have nothing to do with it.
Him asked her why you bite
Him trying to
her.
stop the police lady, that's the point.
Then who was when the police woman did want to pull her gun too? The police
The
woman didn't
police
pull her
woman
gun
didn't
up.
want she too aggressive. She took
Police
come out of the
girl trying to
power.
pull her gun.
The lady even said to herself, say you put her handcuff, put it on for me. The lady never did a resist arrest.
Can I say something?
Exactly.
Oh, this is when the police girl trying to pull her gun. The girl not trying to pull the gun.
Yes.
No, she never did that try pull the gun. She did that. No,
Watch the video.
she never did that try pull
Watch
the
the
gun.
video when the police girl
Pull her gun.
The gun did slap. You know the something where the gun dip on her waist, she did slap. And she adjust the gun. She never did that try to pull the gun.
Nah,
Not a
your
thing
gun
never
can't
slap.
slap in them holes.
Not a thing never slap.
I pull she a try to put it and she realized that me must have the video
Yes,
for
she
her.
not trying to pull her
Yes,
gun.
she realized that the video is on her. That's why she not take it out. That me say to myself when me say it last night. Me say the girl realized that the video is on her. That's why she not pull the gun.
That's
And
what
if
I'm
all she was the police, that girl that turn her off.
And them set the law and tell them to shoot without question. Chang say it.
You want to go back now?
Chang say it. And Chang give the police them the right to do what they want. And Chang when you see politics in this.
Yes.
That's why
Wait now.
Gunman and shoot out
No, I
the
use
police.
politics in this now. This not have
then
nothing
say
to
use
do with
politics.
JLP nor PMP.
Yeah, I want the
In
police
a
right
power
over
for
here.
8 years. A long time politician a tell police to shoot and not
Who the labor right them?
No,
You
man.
know, I'm not fit to do
Listen,
labor
you
arrest
with
with
them.
This
them.
not have nothing to do with politics. A long time them tell them say shoot and ask no questions.
Well, I
You know, I'm
know
not fit to do labor arrest. I'm not fit
maybe the woman did a go to a bad beat and this whole practice police girl come step on her gun.
She needs to get arrested and charged.
Everyone
The
come
two
on.
of them know them one another. The two of them know them one another.
Hello.
One bite the girl. They don't see when she bite the girl and blood her.
Let me
She can't press charge against the
But the
police.
policeman asked
She
her,
can't press charge
the
against the
policeman
police.
the policeman said, why you bite her? Him
He
say,
can press charge against the police.
And then this man when
He
we
can
come here,
press charge
me see
against the
post
police.
in the com say they don't get no report from the girl. Me don't know why girl get a lie upon the case and get in the company case. And then if she not file a report,
she
what is gonna be about
dey
it?
pay $100,000 bail. When she
And
get the
in the com
bail,
say they don't
she
get
need
no
to
report
get
about
a
the case, so
lawyer.
they can't do nothing. In the
And
com
that's
can't,
it for
in the com come out this man say they don't get no report about the case. Why the girl
Then they come and lie at her. That's
In the
on the whole of social
all
media.
over social media. So why
all over
would they get a
social
report?
media.
You know, so they post this morning when in the com say no get no upon the case.
So my question
I am
is,
not
my
living
question
in
is,
Jamaica, and I watch
question
the
is-
video and I see everything. So
Me watch it too, and me say everything. Me watch it from last night, and then it go big this morning.
Hold on. My question is, you see, in the come and get report for something where they always a sip on TV. Them
Yes, they have to work with that.
Yes,
Have
yes.
to work with that. Then a person have to go in. She have to go into Indicom. Indicom can't stick up himself and come.
Why do you when such man did tell Andrew if go suck him mother and he not going? Did Indicom get one report for police? You go lock up him man in bed? I go there for
No.
go, man. Move if you move
Not
them now.
like
finish
that.
and
That's
go.
how me talk
What
every
I
day
say?
in Jamaica. Justice system is for one set of people. If you not have money, You
Yeah.
can't go nowhere.
And that's why
But
some
you may
people
have to
go in
tune
there
in.
forced to take
You hear
revenge.
that talk?
Why you
You hear
here,
that
Panda?
talk the other day
You may
about
have
the
to tune in.
justice system in
Done
Jamaica.
gone
I said,
already.
what want to happen to the rest of man them we cannot fight them case like how cartel can't fight in case.
That's
What
true.
happened to other people them when they have
Trying to
no
get
money?
yourself in a trouble.
They put themselves to the cricket
And
council
when
like how
temptation out there,
cartel.
try to come out of trouble.
Let
Remember,
me
say no
say
for them
something
a
to you now,
judge I work
please.
with the police them, you know. Remember, say police have then DEA and they have
Alright.
then judge.
Let,
So when they
let
go
me say
before
something to
the
you now.
judge, then just give them a little funds and the judge just dismiss the case.
The general, let me say something to you now. You see, the law does not give away the law, you see me?
Yeah, everybody know that.
You see the police woman, you see that so? She not get no charge when I was going to move her from there so, put her somewhere else.
She need
Yeah.
to get
Same like
charged.
when they went kill Mario D's a man to go be a
Yeah,
one
man,
police
son.
girl do it and they move her from Freeport, put her
She
back
need
in
to
the
get
street.
charged because she
I
judged
tell
the
you
woman
something.
blood. She too rude and
Nobody
out of
bigger than
order.
the law, brother. If the lady insists for charge her, she have to get charged. You
The
better you say
woman
when
fit
she got
charge
court,
her. The woman fit charge
them
her
can
because she
fight
said,
her.
well, like she a bull in a pen. The
But
woman
the evidence is there. One more the judge want, the evidence is there.
the
The
woman fit
lady
use
can
she
charge
So
her.
if you charge one, you charge the two of them. You can't charge one and not charge the other.
The
You can
woman
what
fit
you know?
The lady for
the
force
lady,
and the lady for pressure
need
that.
to charge her.
Yeah.
Yeah, she forget
The
the
lady
And
for
them
pressure.
can
and
use
proceed
she,
with
the
the court.
police tough girl.
Lady, don't forget no
Use
charge.
the
I
tough
police
derby
girl
to
forget charge.
example.
I
And
got
if
get
somebody
charged.
put their
And
hand in my
she
face and
forget
you
the
don't
law,
lick
you
me.
know.
Police
A
girl.
Somebody put their hand in my face and they don't lick me. Why me I go fight back? And he
She
hand never
forget the
touch
law, you
me.
know. When she
But
get
the
the
lady did not come out for the compound, so she never have no right to go touch the lady.
Then she don't catch you when you start, then catch you when time you get bad. Why they never catch you when you start?
Approve the girl approve a point because the girl want exalt. He said the woman fit press charges and go the extra mile. The old tough turby, tough police girl.
All hoodlum, all dirty corner girl, police girl.
She
Me
forget
hear
the
somebody
liar.
from program
Once she
earlier.
get the liar,
Coconut brush.
once she get the liar and she get the video, she can just proceed with the liar. If you sue the police, if
Me-
press charge against her, and if you sue the school.
Hey,
But if she
one thing we can't tell you no,
Man,
Andrew honestly
well, I know.
come out can't say nothing about this.
Hear
Man
somebody say something
not one
earlier.
word the man chang they come out can't say. No, you're not
Said-
Remember say no. Remember say she lucky a while ago. Remember say she lucky, you know. 'Cause if say the video never have video, should have shot her. 'Cause remember say the man Restrian done say already, you know. Shoot the next question, you know.
Yes,
Remember that.
and the girl did
I
a
remember
search being good.
My brother, I'm not going to shoot and ask questions.
No, listen to the clean man. Let me say something.
And I saw it up.
You see the man appointed to be what is calling now in response to the police. So you call him again.
Commissioner
The man
of
that they
police.
call him.
The
You see that man
commissioner
there?
of police.
You see him? When they appoint that man that the force fit for be that Jamaican force just get free. But if we don't follow the law and the whole system
Orange
from them,
Strong cause everything cause Orange Strong said they fish shoot and then ask question after.
question after.
Me hear somebody say,
Hey. You see, you Nadisha, you sound like you want PMP.
Me I
this
live
not
in Jamaica.
my right, you know.
Darling, me not live in Jamaica. Me left Jamaica 18 years.
But
Yes,
you sound like you are a supporter of the People's National Party.
Me not
Because
support
everything you say Orius Chan. I don't know police, I don't know government, I police officials.
Look here, me a Rasta, me a Naya thing, me not support nothing wrong. Me a Rasta.
Minister of Security and
Me not support nothing.
I don't know them and tell people police if you shoot and ask question after. When them they tell
But when
Adam
them
so,
say
when
shoot
Adam
and
come
ask
out and
question
state
after.
I never tell
One
Adam
talk when
everything gonna involve politics now. Everything
Me
gonna
not support
justify
nothing. Me a
politics.
Rasta, me not
It's not have nothing to do with politics.
righteousness.
Lady.
But me don't want none of the
Me a
items things
labor
say. I think
Listen me good.
I am
Me a
PMP,
labor
I am
right.
a labor right. I am a Rasta,
not go
I
around
am
the
a
system and
Naya
tell you who me
thinking.
vote for.
I don't support nothing wrong.
Me vote for Andrew
Right
Wallace.
or
Listen me
right
good.
or wrong or
It's
wrong.
not have nothing to do with Orius Chang. I don't know government to tell them say if you shoot and ask question after.
But
So
him,
this has
but him
nothing to do
come
with
out
politics.
brawling with it. Him
So
come
don't
out
involve
brawling with
politics.
it.
A long time police are do them foolishness. Though Adams did say man running a nearby bush at Alfred Street. Which part of
Too
Alfred
much
Street
people
bush
that talk one time. When you talk one time.
Adam did say
here.
big man running a nearby bush at Alfred Street and a bush not there Alfred Street where man for running a.
Look here.
And
Every
now
data,
them are back, them are government about the police. So don't use politics.
every data, if you retaliate the right way upon the police data, the police girl would have get where she look for. Any of the data they really want to retaliate. The data would have never.
That's true, man. That's true.
But that's what I've been saying. If the girl, them are gonna say the girl
Did not fight the police. She don't want to fight the police. She don't want to fight her. She just want to leg her.
She don't want to fight the police. All the police woman do.
She don't want to fight the police. She lit down that the police.
But you know, can hear when you man tell her, say, let me ear, you go pay for me ear, you know. You can hear when she tell her that.
The lady must use she, the police woman, as a perfect example. If that woman then will laugh, she'll use a police girl here, Babylon girl here, the Babylon girl here, be a perfect example. Trust me.
Uno see a part when time a lady, a police girl push a woman in a jeep and then the man come and the policeman and start push her too.
And push her, the policeman and her push her.
Yes.
If she want to claim sexual assault, she can.
Yes, what I'm saying.
If the woman wants to claim sexual assault, she can claim sexual assault because the policeman push her from her bottom.
Yes.
What I'm saying.
I'm saying I'm mind and say, oh, the police will approach a woman from back way with the front pan the woman body.
No, man, don't go too far. Let me say, all the lady have to do is charge back the police. That's all right.
Mind there.
Enough about that one day. So
But
what about the one
I'm
with
saying,
St. Mary?
guys, what I'm saying, you see, what I'm saying, the police data, she tried the other lady blood, right? And the police don't have no scratch, no bruises, nothing to show, but the data blood drop.
When Brazil boss him, those.
Yeah, Bobo. One steer off on the brazier.
Right.
But what I'm saying, her blood didn't dry, but she dried the data blood.
In the video when she bite the woman,
She need to think she reach in her van before she bite the woman. You notice say she don't do it out of
She attempt to bite her. She attempt to bite her. Policeman said, don't bite her.
She bite her inside the van. And even when she in the van, the woman a thump up the woman face in the van and the next policeman that will
but you know what? I tell you, take off the uniform and warrior with the girl. Because she a going, like I said, without the uniform, she a no police. Take off the uniform.
Me I go say something to the Me I go say something. Me I go say something to the
police girl them better walk with one bag of body girl.
In big and fat, but in no straight. To
Me I go say something to the eye them, you see? I don't want none of the eye them to bash me, but I just the truth, me I tell you. One of the data says so like me a PMP. I don't know nobody. I just got the righteousness. I live Jamaica 18 years. And me here say Andrew own himself. If you have a dual citizenship, you have to give up your dual citizenship.
Yeah, everybody know that he said other day, my goal against it.
Well, listen to me. Well, listen to me.
And
well, I'm going to say this to the item. I have 3 passports. 3 passports I have. I have a Jamaican passport. I was born in Jamaica. I left Jamaica 18 years. I have a Cayman passport and I have a British passport.
Did Andrew Olney said this is for civilian?
They can't tell me.
No, it's not for everybody. When I mislead
Politician, they matter.
Politician alone can matter. You can't be a politician and have a dual citizenship.
It is not
can't be a politician and have a dual citizenship.
Yeah.
Somebody said to I say it's going to go right across the board.
It's not somebody that. You can't tell me that.
You see,
can't
them
tell me
love
that.
run with
Ma
propaganda
feed
and
me.
false news too much.
Him
Not
never
like
see
that.
so. Bad for bad.
Me
He
feel
did
say we
not
go so,
take
you know.
it.
Me feel say we
So,
go so, cause anything they push by a politician, they always come by civilian too. So
Me
they
never
still
hear that.
but,
Him
but,
No,
but look,
no, no.
I know, but you
You
see,
can't
you see,
represent
that's
the
why I'm tell
House of
people every day
Parliament.
Jamaica, we Jamaican are too biased. Remember, PMP was the one who lick out Pandora's ship at first. They was the one